Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about a game-changing AI tool from Google, which is NotebookLM. If you have ever struggled with summarizing long PDFs, researching complex topics, or organizing your notes efficiently, this AI might just be your new best friend. So let's break it down step by step. So you can reach NotebookLM at notebooklm.google, and let's think like what exactly is NotebookLM. NotebookLM is Google's experimental AI-powered research notebook. Think of it as your own AI assistant that can summarize, analyze, and make sense of your documents. Like instead of searching the entire internet, NotebookLM works with the documents that you provide. Upload a PDF, Google Doc, or even a YouTube video with its transcript, and it will summarize and extract key points and even answer questions with the citations. Let's start exploring this website. Now we can read that this website states, think smarter, not harder. So it even has ultimate tool for understanding the information that matters most to you, built with Gemini 2.0. So imagine this, like you have uploaded a 100-page research paper. Now NotebookLM summarizes the key points in seconds, and you ask what is the main argument in the research paper, and it will give you answer with all the key points. At the same time, it will also give you the source from where it took that key point. Like it really sounds cool, right? So let's even explore it further. So it states that your personalized AI research assistant, upload your resources. We have already talked about these things like upload PDF, website, YouTube, all these things. And then instant insights, it provides us instant insights. And we can also see the source, that is what I've just mentioned you. And the interesting thing is we can even make a podcast out of it, so which I'm going to talk later in this video. And one more interesting thing about this NotebookLM is whatever the data that we are uploading into the NotebookLM is not going to be used for model training purposes. So it will just use that source and analyze it and just give us whatever the main key points that we are expecting for the question, and that's all. So where did this AI come from? So to know it, we should know that Google first introduced Project Tailwind at Google I/O in May 2023. Later, they rebranded it as NotebookLM and made it available to a small group of people in US. And why did Google build this? It's very simple, like information is overloaded everywhere, and we are drowning in data, like with research papers or maybe news articles or books or any notes and many videos, and keeping up all this information is really impossible. So NotebookLM was built to help people analyze the information faster. It is like having a AI-powered research assistant that reads your documents or whatever the articles that you provide and gives you exactly what you need. And you might be wondering, like, why should I even bother learning this? Is it really useful for me? Well, let me explain why NotebookLM is a game changer. So unlike ChatGPT, which pulls general internet knowledge, NotebookLM is grounded in your notes. And whether you're a student, researcher, or content creator, it helps you summarize, analyze, and connect ideas. And you might be wondering, like, why should I even bother learning this? Is it really useful for me? Well, let me explain why NotebookLM is a game changer. So unlike ChatGPT, and Google wants to democratize AI, making it accessible to more people, and it's still experimental, meaning like Google is improving it based on real user feedback. And in short, I can say NotebookLM isn't just another AI chatbot, it is an AI-powered knowledge assistant. So now, if you're a tech enthusiast, you're probably asking which AI model powers NotebookLM. So let's talk about it. NotebookLM is powered by Google's latest AI language models, though Google hasn't publicly confirmed exactly which one. However, it's likely that it will be generally the variant of Gemini. And here we have seen that it is built with Gemini 2.0, but we don't know which particular variant of Gemini was being used. Since it integrates advanced summarization, citation, and document analysis capabilities, they might have used more than one model, but we are unsure. And what makes it special? Unlike generic AI model that pulls from the entire web, NotebookLM is source grounded. That what we provide means like it only uses user uploaded documents as knowledge base and nothing else. So that particular unique point makes it more accurate and reliable than the traditional chatbots which are there in the market now. And now coming to the question, like who can use this NotebookLM? So let's get a bit practical. Let's go through some real world examples. Like for students, they can upload class notes and get AI generated study guides and summaries instantly. And if you're a research assistant, or maybe you're writing a research paper, you can upload the relevant research papers and you can find all the key takeaways from those papers and generate a structured insight. And if you're even a content creator, like if you want to create podcast or YouTube videos, or maybe you want to write any media blog, you can always do that with NotebookLM. But wait, what about AI hallucinations? When AI is just given something, it has high tendency that it makes things up. So this is where NotebookLM is different from traditional AI models. That is what we are talking about. Google built it to reduce hallucinations using several techniques. So the very first thing is source grounding. It only pulls from your uploaded documents, making it more reliable, and every answer comes with a citation. You can fact check everything. And unlike ChatGPT, which tries to sound creative, NotebookLM just prioritizes correctness over style, and your data stays private.